Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what will be your return on investment and how you can recover the entire fees that you will be paying to learn the master trading course. Alright, so the master trading course covers basics to an intermediate level. That is, you will learn what are the basics of stock market. Then you will be learning fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and in section 2 we have stock characteristics, understanding the charts, investment strategies. In section 3, distinctive trading patterns, trading psychology, time to price correlation. Alright, so about this, everything in detail has been explained in the video that is specially dedicated to the course. Okay, you can find it on the homepage of this channel. Alright, so the course that we are offering is at rupees 19,999, and how you can recover this entire amount after you purchase, after you learn this course. Alright, so I'll show you something that you can definitely look at. Okay, so this is our Telegram channel, and where we give you some setups where you can trade those setups, and this is everything is like everything is given, like the price at which you can buy, what can be a stop loss target, and the risk to reward ratio and return, of course. All right, this on this channel, that is Profitable Traders, we give intraday as well as swing trades, both of them, and even you can some of the stocks you can hold for long term. Even we share some strategies over there, some long term strategies that can be quite helpful. Alright, so since we'll just consider the price that the course price is 19,999. Alright, and the discounts, for you can definitely get some discounts if you're a student, if you're working professional, and they are also, you can pay the fees in installments, in 2 installments, and if you pay the entire amount in one single shot, then you can get an additional 5% discount, followed by what category you fit in for the discount. Alright, so if you want to know more about it, please do WhatsApp me on the number given below in the description. Okay, so yeah, so you can go through this pictures of this Telegram, where we give some good trade setups. Then you can that are very good to trade, and if you just see, some of our various previous batch students have also made some good profit out of it. Okay, so you see, this is a Bank Nifty trade that was given, and you can see when you would have made a good money out of it. So there's not, yeah, even this setups. Okay, we share these setups, and this is a previous photo of what you have seen in the next one. So you see the Bank Nifty broke the support, and it eventually fell down. And if you have taken at this trade, we alerted you. If you would have taken this trade, then you would have made some good chunk of profit. All right, so yeah, now and this is a Bank Nifty 5-minute chart, wherein the expected move of Bank Nifty was to give a breakout on the upside after breaking of the resistance. All right, same thing again. You can go through it. So this is a P&L of one of our student, and he shared this with us after understanding the trade setups that we have given on the Telegram channel. So this is a swing trade basically that we gave at off-white IRCTC and few months back, and you can definitely see the triangle pattern and the long-term support, and with the support of EMA 100 and the trend line resistance, which is basically as a triangle formation narrowing down. The lows are making a little bit highs, and the highs are coming down and giving a narrow kind of formation, and since it will give a breakout, and that's how the buying point was 865, stop loss is 835, target is 1000. Since I told you it is a swing trade, and risk to reward is 1:4.5, and return is 15.6%. okay, so consider any amount that, if suppose you would have invested, like as an example, if you're a swing trader, you took this trade at investor save 1 lakh. Okay, as an example, so you've made a good amount of money on that, 15.6%, considering that amount should also 15,600. Alright, so that's how the most of your fees has been recovered. Okay, so moving ahead, this is the previous one, and if I want to show you some back, see some understanding here as well. Okay, so the buying, so this is another example. So these are some levels, or this is a chart on, this is a trade on Asian Paints. Okay, so here the strategy was to buy on dips. The dips level has been given. The dip price is not exact because there's support and resistance at certain zones, so the price we cannot, nobody can actually tell the exact price. So basically it is considered, or it is given in so a price range. Alright, so the first dip was between 2750 to 2800, and the second was 2500 to 26. Okay, that's how it worked, and it worked perfectly well. This is another CAMS, again a swing trade, a buy level, a stop loss along with target, and the return percentage is 14.3%. Now consider any amount of money that you trade with, or maybe you are a trader or a swing trader, or maybe intraday trader. Consider any amount that you would have invested and you have ultimately taken on all, right? Or you can say you would have covered your entire fees amount that you will be paying. And after studying this, after learning the course, you can definitely do this. Okay, this is, you can definitely learn to do this, and you will make trade setups by yourself. So here are some of the things that we do offer, like we do share some patterns. Okay, so yeah, again another example of Apollo Hospital buying on dips, 12.3% return on CDSL. Aarti Drugs 10%. Seeing some trade setups for Bank Nifty as well as Adani. Okay, so this is how it works. And one more thing I just wanted to show you, this thing. Okay, so this is an data of October 21. It is nothing like that. We actually have data to prove it, everything that we have done in the past. It's nothing like that. We're just sharing some setup and just ignoring it. Okay, we have back data for the past many years, and we are happy to show you if you want to question us. Okay, we are open to all the questions. Okay, so these are some of the trades that were given in the month of October, and this is its status. So if you would have taken this Nifty trade, okay, that's indicating a 7 entry, exit, and target, of course. So the swing target is of 165, and the swing profit, that was almost 3200. Okay, and that in percentage, if you see that amounts to almost 65%. The next is Tata Comms 6.7, Tata Motors 700, Apollo Tires 100. This is all in percentage terms. All right, and this is our intraday profit, as you can see on this right over here, that amounts to almost 1,80,000, and swing profit 8,82,000, and only 3 trades, like if you count this, only out of these many trades, only 3 trades didn't went in a direction and were sideways, and made a loss. Eventually stop loss was hit, and that's why we took a hit on that. Okay, but if you see the winning trades versus the number of losing trades, so the winning trades are definitely much more than the losing trades. Okay, this is one thing. If I want to show you some other as well, I'll take you to this. Give me a sec. This is another P&L, profit and loss of swing trading. If you can see the number of winning days versus, so you see this red, this is the day on which someone has made loss, and this is the day on which you have made profit. So you can see the number of green boxes compared to red. So the red ones are less, green are more. So you can definitely take thing out of information about out of it, and you can understand it quite well. Okay, some of these are the daily P&L screenshots. Then you can see here just again some Bank Nifty, all of the stock. 78,000 profit has been booked, again 76, 53,000, and that's how you can do it. Just want to show you another thing. We actually conduct some webinars to make you understand some topics that we want to share with you. Also on this channel we share everyday analysis, market analysis of trades, okay, maybe Nifty, Bank Nifty, or the swing trades. You can definitely subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about it. Okay, so So you can see right over here, past data. This is a performance report of June, July, August, and September, and you can see the performance. Okay, overall performance in the month of June, July, and again the number white indicates that you have made a loss, you have taken a hit, and secondly the green indicates you have made a profit. Okay, so again this is another example. So this indicates that at that time this was still in trade, and others has been like the profit. If you see the profit percentage is 79.02, and that's hardly anything. If you have invested, consider any amount as per your capital, and you can definitely make a profit out of it. Now again, here's another example or another data I would just rather want to say. This is options. Okay, so premium options, and if you were with us, you have joined our community, and you'd have made like somebody definitely took this trades, and the overall intraday profit on that at that time was on 1st of September 2021 amounts to 94,000 and swing profit of 8,76,000. Okay. Another profit, same thing. Okay, now this is again on September 1st, and you can see this, the same thing that I've shown you. Okay, so that's how you can get updates on Telegram about anything about the trades that we take, and even there's no break in that. Like if it's active, we are active on all the days, and even if you see a few days back, we shared some trades and we definitely got some profits. You see IRCTC again. Okay, so it's not like that we just keep some patterns, draw it, we explain it via the pattern, and why the pattern is there and what's the basic major reason behind it. Okay, we don't simply give some lines, horizontal, vertical lines, and ask you to trade, but there's a proper reason behind it, and that's it. And even if we take a hit, if we take a loss, we do accept it. It's nothing like that, because if you're not taking a hit in stock market, that means you ain't learning anything. Alright, so thank you so much for watching the video till here, and if you are thinking and you're likely to take up the course, you definitely can contact me on the number given below in the description, and you can definitely contact me for that. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching the video till here, and if you are liking the videos, please do share and subscribe with your traders and investor friends. I'll see you in the next video.